Hi everyone, it's Leona with Leona's Designs, and I just thought I'd come on and show you my progress so far in the 100 Days of Junk Journal Pockets. I have made 25 pockets, and I thought I'd go through the book and show you those because I am going to be making more than one book. I realized after I started these pockets that I wasn't going to get 100 pockets in this book. I've got 25 in here and it's pretty chunky. So there's no way 100 or 102 could fit in here. So I am going to be making more books to hold them. I'm just calling this book 1. So if you watched my video previously where I said I made this to hold the 100 pockets, I had to, I had to rethink that because I realized after I got started that this book was not going to hold that many. So I'll just go through and show you the pockets I've made so far. And if you're interested, I'll link Cindy Lewis's YouTube channel below where you can go and find out more information on her printout of 100 Days of Junk Journal Pockets. I also did want to mention Debbie over at Pouring My Art Out for the Lord. She gave me an idea for making more than one book. She's doing these pockets also on her YouTube channel, and she's making 4 little books that she's going to put 25 pockets in each time, she said, and I thought that was a very good idea. So I'm kind of going along with her idea, and I'm going to make 3 more little books to hold my pockets also. So thank you for that idea, Debbie. I will link her channel below. So here's my book. I started out with, I'm calling it book 1 now. It's got the simple folded pocket, which I really love, and I'm going to do another video on this because I have another idea for this pocket. But I think it looks like a little blouse, or it could look like a shirt. So that was very easy to do, and it came out really cute. All my pockets I'm gluing down on 3 sides, so there is room in the back. 2 is a corner tuck pocket, very simple little triangle. Decorated it up with a bird that I drew. Number 3, double tag pockets. It has a pocket here, and then if you glue it down on 3 sides, you got another pocket here. So it's actually 3 pockets, if you want it to be. Top loading pocket, very simple. I made an extra pocket here, but the original is just 1 pocket. This number 5, library card pocket, very simple library card. V pocket, very simple, and it holds a lot. These are my flowers I drew for a challenge a few years ago, and I'm making them into little journal cards. I'm going to have those listed in my Etsy shop soon. I drew 1 flower for every day for the month of May, and we had 3 choices of the flowers we could draw, and I think all of them turned out very nice. I kind of surprised myself that I could draw flowers so well because I'm usually drawing birds. And then I did have the 3 sides glued down for another pocket there. And this is the zigzag pocket. Really cute. Opens up for a pocket here and a little pocket up here. And I just closed it with Velcro. And, of course, another pocket in the back. envelope flip pocket. I used a junk journal envelope, and I'm really happy with this one. I did a lot of decorating on it. It has this slide out pocket here, has a pocket in the back. Open it up. I did not make a pocket here, but you could. I chose to use this for the slide out for the front. Then there's another pocket here, and another slide pocket here. So very nice pocket. And you can use a junk journal envelope. This is a slanted side pocket, a big pocket, and it holds a lot. A window pocket with vellum. I just chose to glue my image there, but you could have made this a pocket, and I glued it down on 3 sides for a pocket back here. These are little paperclip pockets. Really cute. I just love them. And I made 2 of them. I made a small one and a larger one. They both have pockets. And this one I chose to add a little dangle to. That's day 11. Flip out pocket. Really cute. I chose to put a tag here, a little pocket on the front, and then there's this pocket here, and then I chose to put some journaling space there, and then there's a pocket in the back. This is a pocket belly band, pocket there, and then belly band. Easy and fun and useful. Matchbook pocket. I made 2 different sizes. Really easy to make and very cute, I think. And I also put a little belly band here. The waterfall pocket. This is my favorite. And it was so easy to make. There's a little pocket there. I didn't put anything in there yet. There's a little belly band on this one. There's a tuck pocket on here. Pocket here. And another belly band. And then here is just another pocket. And then on the back sides, there's space. You could put more pockets if you want. So really, really love this one. Secret note pocket, day 16. Just really easy to make, and it opens up for little items you can put in there. This is accordion fold pocket. Very fun. There's a little pocket there. And a pocket here. Hidden tag pocket. The purpose is you're supposed to make this look like part of the page, but it's really 2 pockets. You don't have to make 2 pockets. I made 2 pockets. But this is the purpose of, you would just make glued on some paper, and it would look like just a single page, and then the top would open for a pocket. Lift the flap pocket. And there's a pocket here. I didn't put anything in it. Use this for journaling. And then there's a pocket here. And a pocket here. So lots of pocket opportunities with that. And journaling space. Really like this one. Folded coin envelope pocket. Easy to make. I sewed a button on here and used Velcro to close it. And then there's something in here. Very nice. This one I just glued some ephemera on. And I put put something in there, I think. There's something in there, but yeah, I made 2 of them different sizes. So those were fun to sew the buttons on and then use Velcro. Vintage receipt pocket. If you don't have a vintage receipt, there is places you can go online and purchase them, or some are freebies you can print out. I printed this freebie out, and then it's just a pocket. A tea bag envelope pocket. The way I did it was I took a tea bag envelope that I had on hand. I had one that I was going to show you. Here it is. I just took the tea bag envelope and I cut the top off and I glued it down on 3 sides. But before I did that, I covered it with a tea bag. Actually, I covered it with 2 tea bags. Covered this with 2 tea bags, glued them down, and then glued this down 3 sides, so there's a pocket here. And this one, I did the same thing. What I did with this one is I punched flowers out of a tea bag that I had painted. So if you use acrylic paint, just paint over your tea bags. They make them stiffer. It makes them stiffer. And then you can cut out petals to create a flower, which is what I did here. Excuse me, my throat is getting froggy. I cut petals out and then put them together with this little brad. And this one I just punched out with a punch that I had. So that's how I made those pockets. This is just a flower seed pocket. And I did have some of these templates I actually created this one. It's a little seed pack. And it's for mustard seeds, for the mustard seed phase. And this one, somebody sent me, I think. It's a free printable. So these are all little seed packets that I had on hand. And I just put them in there. And I created the seed packet according to Cindy's instructions. And then I glued another one on the front. I think, yeah, this is glued down, so it's just a pocket here. This is just decoration. And 24 is a postcard pocket, pretty simple. Just glue a postcard down and got a pocket. Ticket stub pockets. If you don't have any ticket stubs, which I didn't, I went online, I found some free printables, and I printed them. I got these tickets on a free website online, and this is a free tract that you can print and create. So that's what I did for this. It's just a pocket with some tickets. And that's my 25 pockets. And that's my book 1 for this project. I'm hoping to make 3 more books, and I'll come back when I've done 50 pockets and show you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're inspired. Check out the links in the description box if you want to start making pockets. And have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.